Hello friends, welcome back to another Python tutorial. So today we are exploring the powerful world of loops in Python. So loops are essential for iterating over data and automating repetitive tasks in our code. So by mastering loops, you'll unlock the full potential of Python programs. So first, let's begin with for loop. First type of loop, that is for loop. So let's declare a variable, that is, and give it a list. So here we have declared a list named fruits and three variables, three elements, that is apples, banana, and cherry. So let's see for loops in action. Run this here. So in this example, we have used the for loop to iterate over each element in our list of fruits and print them one by one. Here you can see. So this is often referred to as for each loop in other programming languages. So here we are done with for each loop. Now let's take another example, another type of loop, that is range based loop. So for example, let's run this one. So here you can see, so what it does, we are using range function, this range function, to generate a sequence of numbers from 1 to 4 and then iterate over each number using a for loop. So this is very useful for executing a block of code, this block of code, a specific number of times. So this, so initially so if we are putting here 5, so range starts with from 0 and ends and checks if I equals till 5, if I equals 5, then it will stop executing. So range 5 will start from 0 to 4. So if it is succeeded, then it prints out the I in next line. So if I equals 5, then it is false, then it it exists our loop. So this is how our for loop works in Python. So let's see another type of loop, that is a while loop. Now let's create a variable and assign a value of 0. So while is a keyword, so count is a variable that we have defined here. So it checks, so here is the condition to check the value of count, if it is less than 5 or not. So in here, if it is true, then it prints out the next statement. So here you can see, run this. So here in this loop we can see the condition is evaluated before each iteration. So as long as condition is true, the loop continues to execute. Here we are printing out the value of count until it reaches to be 5. So here we are done with the while loop. Now let's see another type of loop, that is nested loops. Create an example. So just for run this. So here, as you can see, the nested loops are loops within loops. So here you can see this loop is within this loop. So in this example, we have an outer loop. So this is called as outer loop, and we have an inner loop here. So this outer loop is iterating from 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2, and this inner loop is iterating from 0, 1 value, 0 and 1 value. So this results in total of 6 iterations, printing out the pair of numbers. So that wraps us our comprehensive guide to loops in Python. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and understand how effective loops are in Python. So stay tuned for more Python tutorials. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and for more Python tutorials. Thank you.